Go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon viewers. I'm Zulkifli from RH TV. I will accompany you to listen some bright news, actual news and less news about the tickets are still expensive. Buah Airport route Makassar wings air tight rate of 600,000 to 700,000. Head of Buah Airport Irfan Arif, who was contacted, reflected that until now there had been no tariff reduction. It still ranged from 600,000 to 700,000 for the Buah Airport route to Sultan Hasanuddin Airport, Makassar, he said when contacted. He claimed that he had no authority at all to pressure the airline to reduce ticket price because coordinating the airline directly with the Director General of Land Transportation. In the last 4 months, Buah Airport has only been served by Wings Air after Garuda Indonesia stopped serving the reason for the loss. Since the last 4 months, Buah Airport has only been served by Wings Air after Garuda Indonesia stopped serving the reason for the loss. Initially, the presence of the air transportation net was welcomed heavily by the flexible community when flying a plane is only in the range of 300,000. That's the news I call present to you. If you have suggestions and critiques about this program, visit us at www.rhtv.co.id. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Go.